Next is installation of the turbocharger onto the engine. Set 2 new O-rings and 1 V-ring in the correct positions. The O-ring may be damaged when installing the turbocharger. Be sure to lower the turbocharger carefully. To make turbocharger installation easier, first set the installation foot bolt. Don't forget to install the set bolt. Apply moly coat to the installation bolts to prevent seizure, and insert the packing. Then tighten the bolts. Check the flexible joint dimensions. Compare the measurements with those made before this inspection, and check that the values are almost identical. Enter the results on the record sheet. Test operate the engine and check that there is no air leakage, oil leakage, or abnormal sound. If everything is normal, install the cover. This completes disassembly servicing of the turbocharger.